everyone, welcome to BananaCrystal platform. I'll be showing you how to withdraw payment to an external wallet. Let's get right in. On the left hand side of your screen, locate where you have P2P, click on it, then click on withdraw. So I'll be taking you to this page where we have three fields for transfers. The first field is for P2P. The second field is for bank transfer. The third field is for via payment networks. We'll be clicking on the third field, which is via payment networks. Blockchain cryptocurrencies credited in USDT on Polygon. It takes 5 to 60 minutes to complete. It states here that your cryptocurrency will be automatically converted as needed at the current market rates and transferred to the receiver's crypto wallet. Fees. Exchange network fees vary and will be provided at the time of transactions. So all we have to do is to click on withdraw to an exchange or crypto wallet. We'll click that to bring us to this page where we fill up the necessary information and complete the transactions. So whatever wallet address is sent to you, it has to be compatible to or be able to receive USDT on Polygon. So go to your payment network or blockchain wallet and copy the USDT address. You can use addresses from PayPal, Cash App, Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, Robinhood, or any other wallet that supports USDT. To avoid loss of funds, ensure the wallet address entered is correct for USDT. You scroll down, you click on preview. You make sure that this is the amount you want to send and confirm from the receiver that this address can accept USDT. Then click on submit. The next step is to confirm the transaction via email. A confirmation mail will be sent to you. All you have to do is to click on confirm and you come back to this page, you refresh and to show that yes, it has been confirmed, and that's it. 5 to 60 minutes the receiver will receive their funds in their wallet address. And that's how you send funds to an external USDT wallet address. See you on the next one. Bye.